Do the heavens declare the glory of God, or a grand deception? Some believe the name NASA itself is a clue, tracing to the Hebrew word nasha, meaning to deceive. Let's examine the evidence. First, the moon landing. The claim: NASA couldn't and still can't pass the Van Allen radiation belts. However, according to NASA's own mission logs, the Apollo spacecraft traveled through the belts for less than 2 hours, on a trajectory that minimized exposure, well within safe limits. What about the missing stars and moon photos? Critics say they were omitted, but as any photographer knows, capturing a faint object next to a bright one is nearly impossible. According to photographic experts and journals, the camera's aperture and shutter speed were set for the brightly lit lunar surface and astronauts, rendering the faint stars invisible to the lens. And the lost telemetry tapes? While NASA confirmed in 2009 that the original tapes were degaussed and reused to save money, it's not the smoking gun some claim. As detailed by space historians and confirmed by reports from institutions like the SETI Institute, the broadcast quality video we've all seen, sourced from the other recordings, was never lost. Next, the image of our own planet. The famous 2002 Blue Marble is admittedly a composite image. Its creator, Robert Simon, stated it was photoshopped, but as he clarified in numerous interviews, this meant stitching together real strips of satellite data to create a seamless whole, not inventing a fake planet. Similarly, claims of clone clouds and weather imagery are often misinterpretations of data stitching artifacts, a known phenomenon explained by agencies like NOAA. Even claims like Neil deGrasse Tyson's admission of a pear-shaped Earth are about perspective. The deviation from a perfect sphere is less than 1/100%. So, what are we to believe? In 2016, a study by Dr. David Robert Grimes at Oxford University, published in PLOS ONE, calculated that a conspiracy on the scale of a faked moon landing would be exposed in less than 4 years. The science from sources like NASA, Caltech, and international space agencies remains consistent. The debate, however, continues in the public mind.